habis dah.
From Excel to SPSS.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So our title group research is the measure of aggression among UiTM athlete. Okay. The first objective is to measure the aggression of UiTM student athlete.
The second objective is to assess the difference of the aggression among UiTM athlete in terms of gender, and our hypothesis is there are different on the measurement of aggression among UiTM athlete in terms of gender, and there are no different on the measurement of aggression among athlete in terms of gender.
For manual scoring to generate variable,
First one we put the compute, we pick the compute, and our target variable we will write total physical. And for our question we in total physical in number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 plus number 4 plus number 5 plus number 6, and the reverse record number 7, and plus number 8 plus last number 9, and click OK. And the reverse record will be in data view. This total physical, and we change the decimal to 0, and data view will be like 32, 34.
okay, to check the outlier and normality data.
First one we analyze and discuss statistic and click explore, and we put the dependent list and the total physical and the statistic and unify, continue, and the plot histogram and the normality plot with test, and continue, and OK. And the test of normality with Kolmogorov and Shapiro, and the histogram, the total physical, and the normal Q and Q plot, the train normal QQ plot, and observed value.
Okay, now explain how to analyze the descriptive statistic using SPSS.
Okay, to analyze descriptive statistic and frequency, and I put our demographic is gender, and click OK. And our frequency is gender valid 16.
Okay, now how to analyze the descriptive statistic using SPSS for variable relate to your questionnaire.
First one we analyze and descriptive statistic frequency, and put our total of scoring physical, and click OK. This is our valid statistic and total physical frequency.
Okay, now explain the step of analyzing the data using the inferential statistic.
This one choose analyze and compare mean and independent sample t-test. And for the test variable, we put the total verbal, and the grouping variable we put our gender, and define group 1 and group 2, continue, and OK. And the group statistic we naik with total verbal is male female, and independent sample test, the equivariant and independent sample effect size.
Okay, now I will explain about the sample test for the total physical. As we can see here, the figure here shows that it has a value of 0.129, which means that it is significant, because how we want to know that the value is significant or not, because 0.05, it must be more than 0.05. So the total physical of the research is significant. Okay, now we move on to the independent samples test for total verbal, which is also significant because it has a value of 0.142. Okay, and the last one is the independent sample test for total hostility, which is the most high Okay, now we move on to the last independent sample test, which is the total hostility, which has the highest value 0.657 and is also significant.